Hi all, I'm Raghav and this is my Unity Fundamentals Self-Round-1 Assignment 2, and today I'm going to discuss about advantages and disadvantages of Unity. So what are the advantages of Unity? So there are various advantages of Unity, and some of those are: number one, visual editor. So Unity provides us a powerful visual editor that we can allows us to create and manipulate game objects, scenes, assets without writing extensive code. The editor provides a user-friendly interface for designing levels, placing objects, and adjusting the properties and testing our gameplay. Uh, so over here you can see that this is our Unity editor, which allows us to uh, change or manipulate anything without writing exclusive or exclusive line of codes. So I could just change the property position of our sphere y point by just simply dragging or changing the value from here. So I don't have to write any particular code for this. So this is a benefit that Unity provides us. So second benefit would be the cross-platform development. Or yeah, so Unity allows us to build games and applications that can be deployed on multiple platforms, including PC, Mac, mobile devices, AR/VR devices, etc. So this cross-platform development support saves our time and enables us to reach a wider audience. So over here you can see in build settings, uh, there are various platforms for which we can develop a game for. Like if I want to develop a game for WebGL or a web build, we can just go over WebGL. It will develop an HTML build for a game. We can make an Android build as well, iOS build, PS4, PS5 build, or particular Mac or Linux build, etc. So next advantage would be physics and animation system. So Unity includes a built-in physics and animation system that enables realistic interactions between objects and character movements. So physics engine provides collision detection, rigid body dynamics, joints, and other physics simulations. And animation system allows you to create complex animations, blend between different animation states, and control a character animation using the state machines. So over here you can see in the sphere there are rigid body and sphere collider. So this helps us to interact with our physics in assist engine, and over here as well you can see the animation tab and animator window. The animation tab is where you can create our animations for a game, and animator window is where you can just change between different states in our between different animations of your particular game object. So next is performance optimization. Unity offers various tools and techniques for optimizing game performance. It includes features like dynamic batching, collision culling, etc., to improve rendering efficiency and reduce memory usage. Unity provides a profiler for analyzing the performance bottlenecks and optimizing our code. So collision culling you can is just like it just renders whatever there is in front of our camera, and over here you can also see the profiler where it records as the it helps us to analyze the bottlenecks of our game. So this is where we analyze our game, like it the green status for rendering, like how it is rendering inside the Unity engine, etc. So next advantage would be asset store. So Unity has vast ecosystem called Asset Store, where you can find a wide range of ready-to-use assets such as 3D models, textures, audio clips, scripts, and complete game templates as well. So number six is community and support. So Unity has large and active community of developers who share their knowledge, tutorials, and resources. So Unity community forms, documentations, and official tutorials provide extensive support for beginners and experienced developers alike. So over here you can also see the asset store, Unity Asset Store, where you can find different assets for Unity. Yeah, here you can also find free assets as well as paid assets in Unity. So next is our documentations, where you can find each on every topic in detail. You can find how they are working, or what are their values, or how we can use them in a game. And next is the Unity Learn, where you can find various pathways and tutorials for you, where you can start your journey with Unity. So there are various pathways over here. You can choose one of those to learn. And next is Unity Forms, where you can post your Unity questions, and more experienced developers will answer your questions over here. So next would be the disadvantages of Unity. So disadvantages or limitations of Unity, like advantages, there are several disadvantages, and some of those are: number one, performance. So Unity's flexibility and availability to work on various platforms can sometimes result in slightly lower performance compared to the engines that are specifically designed for those certain platform or game types. To overcome this limitation, we can adjust our own scripts, such that they could avoid unnecessary calculation and uh, avoid heavy computations. We can use data structures and algorithms for optimized performance. We can also use Unity's profiler to identify bottlenecks in our game. Number second disadvantage would be that asset size and loading time. So larger asset size results in longer loading time. To overcome this, we can compress our textures and audio files, use assets bundles for dynamic loading, and optimize assets import settings, etc. So number third would be memory management. So Unity's automatic memory management may lead to occasional spikes in memory usage. So to avoid this, we can use techniques like object pooling for frequently creating and destroying our objects. We can manage our resource loading and unloading efficiently, and avoid excessive memory allocation as well. So lack of native UI controls. So Unity built-in UI system may lack some native UI controls. To overcome this limitation, uh, we can consider using third-party UI framework, or develop custom UI controls using Unity's UI system or UI extensions.